Let's do it. Okay, so this is new for me. I'm pretty sure that there's other versions of this out there, but this is new for Samsung. This is Samsung's UV sanitizer. I know that's really bright, but it says UV sanitizer with wireless charging. I ordered my wife a Galaxy S20 FE in lilac. No, not lilac. This is lavender. So I ordered her this phone and we just unboxed it a few minutes ago. I'm gonna put it off to the side because it still needs to be set up. But this caught my eye as one of the free gifts on the Samsung website, and this UV sanitizer. I was actually concerned on how big this thing would be, but it is fairly large. Like, look at it. It's bigger than my hand. Look at my hand. It's bigger than my hand because I was actually concerned whether or not my Galaxy Note 20 would fit inside. This thing is a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be. And yes, she said that too. You know I ain't gonna never grow up. But let's take a look at this. It's very simple in design. On the back, it has a port for your USB charging right there. It does not come with a charging brick. It comes with just a cable. So you get your cable right here. And here it is. This is the inside of the cradle. So you just open up this flap right here and you can, this is the Galaxy S20 FE. So this is how big it is when it's inside. And you can see right there is probably where that is where the UV light comes out. There's some reflective stuff in there. And it says wireless charger right in there. Can you get in there and see that? It says wireless charger. So let's back out a little bit and I'll show you what the Galaxy Note 20 looks like in there. So the Galaxy Note 20 will fit in there with the case. I'm sorry, this is the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. So this is the bigger model. This is Samsung's largest phone. It will fit in there with the case. There's plenty of room for this thing to just kind of move around in there. But it's supposed to go this way because it does have wireless charging. I got to get this thing plugged up. Give me a second.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I got my cable in here. Let's set it down. And we're going to put my phone in here just to see if this thing will charge and work. Oh, so it doesn't even have to be closed in order for it to charge the phone. It says wireless charging. Wait. See, this is what I don't like about the Note 20 Ultra. This big old camera hump, it kind of impedes wireless charging. You got to get that thing set right where it needs to be because the hump, it'll kind of, okay, there it is. It says wireless charging, 55%, hour and 59 minutes till full charge. So this looks like it's slow wireless charging or regular speed. It doesn't say fast right here at all. So this is regular speed wireless charging. And once I close it, let me press this button. Okay. So there's a green light on here. Let me just kind of put that up for you. Can you see that? There's a green light that comes on, that LED, and it's sanitizing right now. And I think you just set it in here for about 10, 15 minutes. And let me make sure. Oh yeah, here it is. It says sanitization turns off automatically after 10 minutes and the indicator light turns off with 2 beep sounds. And then your phone is going to be disease free. Okay, so that's awesome because it's supposed to kill, I think, up to 99% of bacteria. Okay, so yeah, your phone should be disease free after 10 minutes. So let's just come back after 10 minutes. I'm gonna go get me something to drink real quick and we'll finish up this video.
One eternity later.
Okay, so the beep just went off and I was checking out this new S20 FE in lavender, and I gotta say my first 10 minutes of it has been awesome. This is a great freaking phone. Awesome. But this video is not about that. It's about this UV sanitizer right here, dude. Get in the picture, man. All right, so let's open it up. Doesn't look clean. Let me see. It's not gonna look clean. It's an invisible antibacterial event that happens. But oh, wait a minute. It does smell. There's kind of like a hospital smell that comes out here, man. It doesn't smell like new stuff at all, but it smells like a hospital. Anyways, man, something happened. When you open this up, it turns off. So if I turn it on right now, okay, I'll turn it on. That's the beep. Once you open it up, that light just clicks off immediately. So you can't just be jacking around with your eyes and stuff and looking in there as it's trying to clean. It don't work like that. So I could press this right here. There's a little button right there that kind of tells it it's closed, but I'm not going to mess up my vision so you can have entertainment on this video. But what I will tell you is that I feel safe that this thing is 99% bacteria free, disease free, baby. Hey man, So that was your first impression of the Samsung UV sanitizer. I just wanted to show you guys that yes, it does fit the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and it will charge it as well as the Galaxy S20 FE. And will they? Yeah, they'll both fit in there. So I guess you could do it all at one time. I don't know. I mean, they'll both fit. But does it clean both of them at the same time? I have no idea. I guess you could try that out if you wanted to, just to kind of save some time on both phones, but you can only charge one at a time. But I just wanted to give y'all a quick first impression of that. And once again, for those of you who saw my quick unboxing of the Galaxy S20 FE, if you want to see me do a real review of this thing, like an experience, I don't do specs, so I'm not gonna sit here and regurgitate all the specs about the screen and camera and stuff, but I will give you my personal experience of it, just like I did for my recently released video of the Note 20 Ultra. So check that one out in the description. But let me know if you want to see such a video for the S20. I got to get out of here and go edit some videos, man. But while I'm gone, y'all make sure y'all keep being good to each other, and I'll see you when I see you. Oh, so you wanted them cats that like to just run up in a place, take what you want, then leave, huh? Man, you better hit that subscribe and notification button. That way you know when I'm over here opening up new stuff. And while you're down there, you might want to consider tapping that join button and becoming a member, because membership has its perks. See, that wasn't so bad. All right, man, I appreciate you, and I'll see you at the next one.
Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? Is this not why you are here?